Hello Leos, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, Namaste. Let's start with the reading. And what I'm doing is, sometimes I do it as like elements, okay? So it's like Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and then what's in demand and as in shuffle. Follow on Insta, SSHELLS, Essentials Running. Here, what the message is that I'm going to do like Leo, Aquarius, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Pisces, just like that. I'm doing it like on timeless readings, okay? So you have two cards from Romance Angels here. We're going to proceed. You have to subscribe and hit the bell icon so to get notified, okay? People who are cross watchers. The message that is coming is like you're about to enter, like removing the curtain and enter. So maybe someone is exactly in symbolism form entering in someone's life. This is also like the air they're saying. So this is about time to talk. This may be air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe. Okay, we're going to see in the deck if they turn up like the signs. Also I'm seeing like whoever this person is removing the curtain, maybe you are with them and they're removing the curtain, entering your room or hall or whatever. And if this is not the case, it's exactly symbolism form here coming, which is again the energy form. They're trying to say or convey that it's time to talk. Okay, so your first card that came through while I was shuffling is healing family issues. Some of you are with your family, some of you are possible you might be married, you have children. If you are not, then you might be single, you live with your parents, or however your situation is. This is all about healing. This is, for some cases, it's about family issues, okay? Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Some of you need to forgive your parents. Maybe you had some issues with them, you struggled with them, okay? Or something was done by them or by you, and that's why you need time to come out of that curtain, okay? And if this is about relationship, like love, it's about your husband or wife and children, then this is about time when you really need to settle, remove the curtain, come out of it. Don't be in like hermit zone and then discuss the stuff. So healing family issues. Some of you, it's about the place where you are, and it's not exactly issues, but I feel like it is about the family that gives you utmost healing here, okay? You being that sign, Leo, you are very, very courageous and you have strong bonds with your children here. So minute problems, you don't allow them to interfere in your connections or in your bonds, okay? So that can be the thing. This may be something that you don't allow those things to hinder your love life. And I also see like you might be very forgiving. If this is just about you as person, as a Leo, you might be in this form right now of forgiving things and forgetting things so that you can cherish the time with your loved ones. I see like there's a blessing coming after some hard time in your life. So this may be with your children, you might be reuniting with your children, you might be reuniting with your partner, you might be coming home after long, okay, whatever that is. Your second card, separation. This may be you were taking care of yourself or taking care of certain kind of habit you are leaving, so that might be the issue. This may be that your person or partner is having certain kind of issue and that is also going away, kind of like whatever the issues are. So you are on the healing journey basically. Separation, time apart from your partner is on the horizon. I kind of get this, that after separation, you people are healing, okay? So maybe this is about being together once again. That's what I heard. Like after separation, you are coming back together. After separation, it's like removing the curtains. Okay, look at this. It's also like window and curtain, it's being removed and sunshine is coming inside, which is basically things are going to manifest. Here you have, I apologize. Here you have, you deserve love and you are lovable. So this is about focusing on right things in your life right now. Okay, so you may have two children. You may have exact 2 children. Okay, now for some of you, these may be 2 daughters, exact and you may be the Leo as father. Okay, possible. Some of you are going to not let issues come in your life, love life, and you're going to heal it, which is about giving your relationship chance. So this is about work on your partnership. Some of you are going to work on your partnership because you want to maintain this, because you want to overcome this separation, because you're telling to the person like, I love you. Okay, let's see third card. Let's see, like in present moment the separation problem is like overcoming. You people are overcoming something. Okay, I see reconciliation, which is good. So in your future regarding children, so your love life is being affected by children. You people were possible fighting for custody. If that is not the case, it is about you being concerned about them. You want to clear out that mess and healing. This may be happening after some time, after separation. This may be even regarding your partner, you miss them. Then you are having reconciliation, which is so important. I also see something is now under control, or something will be under control, which is important because I feel like it is also health issues or whatever the issues were, you are going to overcome, because I see like a blessing from, if you see close, this is blessing from universe, angels, and whomsoever is guiding you here, your belief in that reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. Leos, you're removing the curtains, which means you're letting light in, which means it is time to have the show, which is about, okay, I'm also hearing fashion designing here, so maybe it is connected with certain kind of designs and all that stuff. Possible you're a fashion designer, okay, or your person, it's you. So someone from your past is returning to your life, and I said so that we're going to take the deck, but I said so like air sign, okay, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, Leos, you might be dealing with the one. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. So this is King of Swords energy. Leos, you're about to start something here. So this may be on like working on a big project or something. If it is connected with some entertainment industry or fashion, that goes that way. Apart from that, this is something you're about to start something which may be after separation. So love related reconciliation. You may end up contacting the one because someone from your past is coming. So again, this may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or else we are going to see what cards are coming. Okay, it's coming for Leos. What's coming for Leos? What's coming for Leos? Okay, first thing, clarity is coming. It should be second. I heard first was conversation coming. Okay, so this may be clear conversation coming or clarity in conversation coming, which is going to be, you're going to be no more undecisive. Two of Swords reversed. I feel like there is no more confusion regarding something or whatever it is. It's like clear time or clarity time is coming. Between choices, between talking, between clarifying, it's like truth is out. It's like we need not to fight over something, or we need not to have misunderstandings. We should have clear zone here. You may end up talking. Leo. Maybe someone is trying this. It's kind of like a dream world. Possible. Someone is coming in your dreams. This may be someone from past or someone who is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Thinking of talking. This may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Thinking of talking. You may have that curiosity of will they talk. But listen, you may had sour moments with the person, but love was fascinating, passionate. Sour moment or had no talk season for a long time. Who walked away, huh? Who made this or created this distance? But if you try, you may end up having same moment because there's reconciliation. What's coming for Leos? Let's have last card from this deck. You may expect things to unleash. Maybe someone is also waiting for reply, holding in feelings to actually cherish it with you. There may be a little bit of distance between you both, but person is deciding on that, or you might be deciding on that to make the contact or the comeback. Someone is also making a comeback, I'm telling you. So maybe this is love related and it's also work related. Like come back, come back, come back. Someone may be calling you and telling you come back on like this job or whatever. Knight of Cups energy, you'll have moment of expression. This may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but apart from this, this may be some emotional matter that is heralding towards future, which is about you people will end up talking. Possible it's an apology, possible this is an offer. Let's make it right, kind of, because it is reconciliation. It's love here. Assurance. Someone who's giving assurance from far, possible, right? Look, you have bottom energy number 28 and the carving is don't forget, and the message is written reminder. Something will be reminded to you. Don't forget what that is. You might be trying again, or you might be going on this, removing the curtain. You might be trying something after long here, whatever that is. And you also have the flip card, which is risk, number 31. Now this does have a booklet and all that stuff, but I'm going to read it. But if you look at this card, it does look like Zero the Fool vibe, kind of, with no dog and anything, but it's only your faith. Something was at the edge or something is at the edge. Again, with the risk, it's like dare to start something, dare to begin something, dare to be no more confused, dare to talk, dare to apologize, or dare to have that apology talk, or whatever that is. If it's not even apology, it is about just talk, okay? So this is going to be risk. This reconciliation, this talk, these emotions may give you that risk, okay? Maybe you're risking something in order to approach someone. Maybe you're risking something in order to flourish in something, okay? It's like a big thing here, yeah. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.